Welcome back guys, this is Vishu from Savage Camp, and in this video we are going to do list comprehension. So as you can see, it is not that difficult. We did not do this because it could get confusing for a lot of people learning Python. It's one line of code that does a lot of things. So this program says that it gives you a list, which is this list, and you have to write one line of Python that takes this list and makes a new list that has only the even elements of the list. So there are a few even elements in here. There's 4, 16, 36 and 64 and 100. So we have to make a list that would only have even elements in here. So let us write a for loop first. So for number in A, print numbers. So the first thing I always do is print it out, so I have something to work out with. So this one printed out all these elements. Now we only need to find out numbers that are even. So number mod 2 is equal to 0. So if I do this, this is going to give me a true or false. So we have Boolean values. So let's convert this into if else. So if number mod 2 equal to 0, print number. So this is only going to print out the even numbers. So we have achieved our first goal, which is to print out even numbers in a list. Now let us make this into a one-line program that is called list comprehensions. So I will say answer is equal to, so we'll say number for number in A. So if I write this and I print answer, let's see what our list gives. So this is going to give the same one because we have the same list over here. So I'm going to modify this with number for number in A if number mod 2 is equal to 0. Let's rename this to number, and now if we print answer, we will have a list of all the even numbers that are generated from this list in one line. So the way list comprehension works is you say for number in A, if number mod 2 equal to 0, then you take that number. So the last one is going to go at the beginning, and then you write the for loop for number in A if number mod 2 is equal to 0. Here I can also do for number mod 10 is equal to 0, and this will only give me 100. But the question is for even numbers, so this mod 2 would work. So that is it for this video guys. List comprehensions is kind of intermediate because it can be a little confusing while writing this since it's one line of code, but I think this was like a good practice program. So that is it for this video guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.